Hi, let us continue the types of optical fibers. There are two types of optical fibers based on the refractive index profile of a core. The first type of optical fiber is a step index optical fiber. The second one is a graded index optical fiber. The step index optical fiber, whose refractive index of the core is changed in step manner, is called a step index optical fiber. The refractive index of core is changed gradually, called as a gradient index optical fiber. The step index optical fiber is propagating the signal like this. The gradient index optical fiber is propagating light in this manner. Let us know about the step index optical fiber. The step index optical fiber are manufactured by two types: single mode step index optical fiber, multi mode step index optical fiber. Single mode step index optical fiber is propagating only single signal through it, and whose refractive index value is step mannerly changing. The propagating core diameter is very less, nearly 12 micrometers, and so the cladding refractive thickness is 125 micrometers to 400 micrometers. The multi-mode step index optical fiber, whose core diameter is more, nearly 50 micrometers, and the cladding 125 to 400 micrometers. This is the um, refractive index profile of a single mode step index optical fiber, and n of r step refractive index of an optical step index optical fiber n of r is equal to n1 when r is less than a, where a is the radius of the core. This is the radius of the core, small value. Next, n of r is equal to n2 when r is greater than a. R is greater than a is nothing but the refractive index profile of an optical fiber is cladding, and n of r is equal to n1 means the refractive index profile is core. And this is multi-mode optical fiber. You can see that the diameters are more in the case of multi-mode step index optical fiber. The number of mode of propagations is expressed in terms of V number, and number of mode of propagations in step index optical fiber NSI is equal to V square by 2, and where V is the V number, and which is equal to 2 pi a n of a by lambda. A is radius of the core, n of a numerical aperture of the optical fiber, lambda wavelength the laser passing through this. And so the V number is depend upon a, n of a, and lambda, and so that the number of propagations through this material also changes like this. The third one is multi-mode graded index optical fiber. This transmission of signal in graded index optical fiber is varied in gradual manner, so that the propagation is also like this. The diameters are 50 to 100 micrometers core, and cladding has 125 to 400 micrometers. The refractive index profile of a gradient index optical fiber is given by n of r is equal to n1 into 1 minus 2 into r by a whole power alpha into delta when r is less than a. That means n1 refractive index of the core, as r increases, delta as r increases, the 1 minus 2 into r by a whole power alpha also decreases. That's why refractive index of a core gradually decreases from center to the end of the core, and delta is numerical aperture and it is radius of core. The alpha value is for linear optical fiber is 2, and n of r is equal to n2 when r is greater than a, means in cladding refractive index is n2. The number of modes of this optical fiber is given by nzi is equal to v square by 4, where v is the v number, and which is equal to 2 pi a n of a by lambda. So you can, if you have a question on this mode of propagation in types of optical fiber, or explain about the V number, so that you can answer the same value. Thank you.